So yes, family, so right here on my countertop, I've got my ingredients for my banana plantain porridge. So this is all my ingredients. So right here, I got 1 green plantain and 4 green banana. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean them up and then show you how I go on. So yes, family, so right here I got the banana and the plantain all cut up. So right in this blender, I've got 3.5 cups of water. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the banana and the plantain. So I've added the plantain and the banana, so now I'm gonna add 1 cup of oats. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend this. Okay people, so it's all blended out now. So I'm gonna add it to my pot that I'm gonna be boiling it in. So adding to my mixture, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of salt, that's 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, adding 3 bay leaf, adding a teaspoon of cloves, and then adding a half teaspoon of molasses. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on the stove and let it go on do its thing, and then I'm going to show you the next step. So right here I got 1 coconut, so what I'm going to do, I'm break it up and clean it up and then put it in my blender and show you what's going on. So right here I got my coconut all cleaned up, so I'm going to add it to my blender. And then on my blender I'm going to put it to grater. So my coconut is all blended now, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to strain it off. So I've strained off my coconut, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add it to the pot.
Getting sprung on. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Yes, family, so my porridge is all done now, so I'm going to sweeten it. So I'm going to be adding half a cup of brown sugar and half a can of condensed milk. Remember, you can sweeten this to your sweetness. So the sweet milk is in and the sugar. So yes, family, so this is my plantain banana porridge, all finished. So remember, if you like these recipes, you can always drop it down in the comment section. And always hit the notification bell to get all my latest videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my video. Shalom.